Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn about amplifier classes explained, an important topic in analog electronics and electronic devices. Amplifiers are used everywhere, from music systems and Bluetooth speakers to communication transmitters and RF systems. But did you know that not all amplifiers work the same way? Different amplifiers are designed for different purposes, and that is why engineers classify them into several types such as Class A, Class B, Class AB, Class C, and Class D. In this video, we will understand how each amplifier class works, their characteristics, advantages, disadvantages, and real-world applications. So let's start with the basics. Introduction. First, let us understand what an amplifier actually is. An amplifier is an electronic device that increases the strength of an electrical signal. In simple words, it takes a weak input signal and produces a stronger output signal without changing the signal's original shape. An amplifier mainly performs three important functions. It increases signal amplitude. It maintains the shape of the signal. It provides the required power to the load. Amplifiers are widely used in many applications such as audio systems, communication circuits, radio frequency systems, microphones, speakers, broadcast transmitters. Without amplifiers, modern electronics and communication systems would not function properly. Why amplifier classification is needed? Now you might wonder, why do we need different amplifier classes? The reason is that every application requires different performance characteristics. Some systems require very high signal quality, while others require high efficiency and low power loss. Therefore, amplifiers are classified based on several parameters. Conduction angle, the portion of the input signal cycle during which the transistor conducts current. Efficiency, how effectively the amplifier converts input power into useful output power. Linearity, how accurately the output signal matches the input signal. Power dissipation, how much energy is lost as heat. Because of these factors, engineers design different amplifier classes for different applications. Now let's start with the first amplifier class. Class A amplifier. The Class A amplifier is the simplest and most linear type of amplifier. In a Class A amplifier, the conduction angle is 360 degrees. The transistor conducts for the entire input signal cycle. This means the transistor is always on, even when there is no input signal. Because of continuous conduction, there is no crossover distortion, and the output signal is extremely accurate. This makes Class A amplifiers the most linear type of amplifier. Class A characteristics. Let's look at the main characteristics of Class A amplifiers. First, they provide very high sound quality. Second, they have very low distortion, meaning the output signal is very similar to the input signal. However, Class A amplifiers have a major disadvantage. Their efficiency is very low, usually around 25 to 30%. This means a large amount of input power is wasted as heat. Because of this, Class A amplifiers require large heat sinks and consume more power. Even though they are inefficient, they are still used in high-fidelity audio systems where sound quality is the top priority. Class B amplifier. Next is the Class B amplifier. In this amplifier, the conduction angle is 180 degrees. This means the transistor conducts only half of the input signal cycle. To reproduce the full signal waveform, two transistors are used in a configuration called push-pull configuration. One transistor amplifies the positive half cycle, and the other amplifies the negative half cycle. This improves efficiency compared to Class A amplifiers. Class B characteristics. Class B amplifiers have several advantages. Their efficiency is much higher, around 70 to 78%. They also produce less heat compared to Class A amplifiers. However, they have one important problem called crossover distortion. This distortion occurs when the signal switches between the two transistors near the zero crossing point. Because of this distortion, Class B amplifiers are not perfect for high-quality audio. Still, they are widely used in audio power amplifiers because they offer a good balance between performance and efficiency. Class AB amplifier. To solve the problem of crossover distortion in Class B amplifiers, engineers developed the Class AB amplifier. Class AB amplifiers combine the advantages of Class A and Class B. In this amplifier, the conduction angle lies between 180 degrees and 360 degrees. This means each transistor conducts slightly more than half of the signal cycle. Because of this overlap, crossover distortion is significantly reduced. Class AB characteristics. Class AB amplifiers provide good efficiency, typically around 50 to 70%. Lower distortion than Class B. Better performance than Class B with improved efficiency compared to Class A. Because of this balance between sound quality and efficiency, Class AB amplifiers are the most commonly used audio amplifiers today. They are widely used in home theater systems, hi-fi audio systems, professional speakers, music amplifiers. Class C amplifier. Now let's move to the Class C amplifier. Class C amplifiers are very different from the previous types. In this amplifier, the conduction angle is less than 180 degrees. This means the transistor conducts only for a small portion of the signal cycle. Because of this short conduction period, the output signal becomes highly distorted. However, the advantage is that Class C amplifiers have very high efficiency. Class C characteristics. Class C amplifiers can reach efficiency levels of 80 to 90%. However, due to their high distortion, they are not suitable for audio applications. Instead, they are used with tuned circuits such as LC resonance circuits that restore the waveform. Because of this, Class C amplifiers are commonly used in radio frequency transmitters and RF communication systems. Class D amplifier. Finally, we have the Class D amplifier. Unlike other amplifiers, Class D is a switching amplifier. In this amplifier, the transistor works like a switch, turning on and off rapidly. Instead of amplifying the signal directly, it uses a technique called PWM, pulse width modulation. The audio signal is converted into a series of pulses whose width represents the signal amplitude. This switching method greatly improves efficiency. Class D characteristics. Class D amplifiers offer several major advantages. Their efficiency is extremely high, typically between 85 to 95%. They generate very little heat. They also have a compact size, making them ideal for modern electronics. Because of these benefits, Class D amplifiers are commonly used in Bluetooth speakers, portable audio systems, smartphones, modern home audio systems, car audio systems. Conclusion. Let's quickly summarize what we learned today. The amplifier class depends on the application requirements. Class A provides the best signal quality but low efficiency. Class B and Class AB offer a balance between efficiency and sound quality. Class C is mainly used in RF communication systems. Class D provides very high efficiency and is widely used in modern audio electronics. Choosing the correct amplifier class helps improve system performance and reduce power loss. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials on analog electronics and communication systems. Also share this video with your friends who are studying electronics engineering.